Hello, welcome back guys to another video, and today this is what we've done to our yard. It's crazy different. My camera kinda died when I was recording this, so this is what it looks like. Over here I placed some trees, some grass and gravel, and we cut down a few more trees, and yeah, that's about it. I think Strong's over there trying to cut some trees down. Anyways, that's the yard. So, let's get to work. Oh, this is not my tractor. Let me get into my tractor. Park that. Run over. Here's my tractor. Could you cut this in half, Strong? Yeah. Not there. Not there. Buddy, I said. Not there. Oh, well, I guess that works. Anyways, let's load this up. And I think I will do a bit of a time lapse. See you on the other side, guys.
Dust rises up as the daylight fades. This old worn hat knows all my ways. The radio plays stories just like mine. A tired heart, but I'm still standing in line. That old fence sings when the cold wind.
There he goes. Okay, so we got him loaded up. Let me, unhook this weight and maybe the grapple. And, yeah, and then I'm going to customize the yard a bit, put down some gravel and stuff. Let's take this off. Now let's back up. Unhook the weight. Drop it there. There we go. Okay, so let's get into build mode here. Okay. Now, let's get some concrete. What's that? Oh, that's fine. I don't know if this looks the best. I'm just putting it down and then we'll see. No, this doesn't look the best. Maybe asphalt? No, probably not that. Oh, maybe just straight gravel. Yeah, gravel's probably the best way to go. What's that? There we go. Let's get there. Up there, there. Maybe let's make like a little road out to the edge of our property. There we go. Just like that. Out there. Now let's just make it to the edge of our property. There we go. Yeah, let's place down some grass now. Let me just touch up a few places. No, I think now it needs grass. There, place the grass under those two trees. Just grass there. I'll just put down grass everywhere. And make it look better. And we can actually see what we're doing. And then I can get rid of the rest of the stumps. Oh yeah, and our goal here is that we can buy a sawmill so we can produce wood. So that's why straw went off of a small load of wood. Hopefully it's enough money to buy the sawmill. Maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but whatever. Worst comes to worst, we have to take another load. So, that's how it looks there. And, yeah. So, this is where a shed will eventually go. I'm thinking of the long green metal one, maybe there. But that's a different story. I think today I might trade in the old Ford for a four-wheel drive Ford. Let's see how much he gets for this, shall we? There we go. About 6K. Gosh dang it, I might go over here and cry. Wow. Anyway, that side, we don't have enough wood. He'll have to come back and get another load. We'll make sure this one's big enough. That is...
Well, the sky's gone black, but the fire's lit. Got a cooler full of cold ones and a floor to hit. There ain't no rules, just stomp and spin. We're dancing in the dust where the night begins. It's a dusty boots boogie, fast and free, where the rhythm's rough and the whiskey's cheap. Kick up the gravel, don't hold back, let your soul ride wild to a full track from sundown's call.
This is the tractor I might get. I just need enough money. I'm gonna trade in the old Ford, and that's the one I'll be getting. Yeah, I think that's the only one I really want. Yeah. Okay, let's finish building him up. Okay, I just push the wood to the side, and then when Strong gets back, I'm gonna place the sawmill. Okay, I'm just getting this pushed over so I can place the sawmill. And he's almost back, so I'll cut to when he gets back. Okay, guys, he's back. So, let's get up in here and place the sawmill. Let's get the sawmill placed. I'm gonna place it over here where I made this gravel pad. There's probably the best spot. There we go. There we go, and let's go see it. Nice, Strong. There it goes, Strong. Let's see what type of wood we want to make. I think we want wood planks long. Activate that, and deactivate that. Let's get the first piece of wood in. Okay, here's the first piece. Put it in. There, sawmill's officially running. Let's get some more wood in. Okay, now it's full. I think that's going to be the end of the video for today, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.